Monkey suits Taylor, they stitched up the plot. Darwin on the mic said that we get dropped. Survival of the fittest, coded in the books, but the fittest in chains, they redefine crooks. Lab coat scheming, Tuskegee was the proof. Needles in the flesh, lies hidden in the truth. Experiment the culture, bodies for the taking. Evolution twisted, history in the making. Chains ain't gone, they just shifted the form. Prison blocks hum like a thunder the storm. Darwin's words still fueling the fire from the labs to the cells. The system's entire. Columbine's blueprint laid it on the table. Built a race from lies, now the youth unstable. Test tubes bubbling, bloodlines erased. Modern day forests still building their place. Prison bars and new plantations they stack. From the ghettos to the courtroom, ain't no slack. Evolution's gospel rewritten with hate. They preach in progress, but the chains still wait. Hands up, still caged. Ain't no Darwinian prize. Vivid show weapons right before our eyes. Columbine echoes. Darwin's name in the wind. The roots of the system, where it all begins.